The cutest Christmas plushies ever. We're in Rainforest Cafe. Oh, that's so cute. $25. Oh, this is squishy. Look, there's more. I want the reindeer. Oh my goodness. They're so good. Welcome to Disney Springs and the Endless Christmas March video. This one. A whole ton of glassware stuff. If you buy like a certain amount of money, you get that for $20. Is it really worth it? Porcelain figurines. Wow. See? Man. Baking stuff. I kind of want, but $40 for a whole ton of stuff in here. Cookie cutters, spatula, other things, pretzels, an advent calendar of chocolate, rocks. Those are my rocks. Oh, cute little jacket. Mask if you have a giant face. That one. You guys want bubble ones? Or the very last bubble ones? There you go. It looks broken. Here's the ear. Oh. I mean, I'll show you guys around this later. Got some chocolate. Sweater, more mask, mini. And the ears for a person. There's kid shirts. Baby Yoda thing is not Christmas. More face coverings. Oh, that's actually cute. $10. More ears. Another shirt. That one. Oh, yeah. These are just Wizard of Oz ears. That's what everyone calls it. These ain't Christmas. More spirit jerseys. Backpack. Lunch leg. $75. What else is over here? Plushies. The board. Woo! Fast 9 4. Oh, this one's cute. I like that. How much is this? $36.99. What was this spirit jersey? This front. And there's back. Oh, gingerbread one. Ooh, turn. Peppermint bag. Ooh. Here's the other spirit jersey. Front and back. There's this one. Kind of make him cool a little bit. It's a spirit jersey one. If you guys want a mask and your spirit jersey to match, there you go. And sweater, and some pants, and shirts, and ears. And the very pretty front of the store, all the Christmas stuff. Pretty mugs. Like, meet me under the mistletoe for $14.99. That is pretty. I just need a significant other to buy me that. Rice Krispies. What else is over here? Stuckin'. There's a Minnie Mouse somewhere. There's a Minnie Mouse one somewhere. That's just Mickey. $30 in stocking. $40. I forget what it sounded. You guys hear it over the loud music? What a sign. Got this very, very cute thing. It is $64.99. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. Cards. Duffy. And this one, I like these ones a little bit more, but Duffy's on these ones. A very expensive tote. A cookie jar. It's really expensive. How much are you? $50 for a giant cookie jar. It's kind of worth it because it's just so heavy. I already showed you guys shirts. You guys can have a hat instead of the ears if you're more of a hat person. That's actually really cute. $29.99 for the gingerbread hat. And $30 for that. Gingerbread candle. How much is this? $19.99. Another baking thing. A blankie. That's very cute. Wow. Oh, it's reversible? Ooh. Baking stuff. Is that a tree skirt? Oh. 52-inch tree skirt. How much is it? I'm breaking stuff. Yeah. $79.99 for a tree skirt. That's what's just on your money. And dish towels. Oh gosh. That's cute. $21.99. You see this again. Oh. I think that one's broken. It's not playing music. Oops, I did not break it. Mickey hot cocoa. Ooh, cinnamon cocoa. Ooh, that sounds good. $13.99 for 3 things of hot chocolate. That's kind of expensive, Disney. What's in this one? Oh my goodness, no! I'm breaking everything. No, what's in here? Cookies. I broke those cookies in there. Oh, peppermint bark. Peppermint bark cookies. And the super beautiful light up ears. I can go with your normal red balloon ones. You have those. Light up ones. I like the one that says no size. Can't find the switch. Here we go. I can't turn it on. What? Legging shirts, a bow, light up bow. For $15. Thanks. And more stuff. This is not Christmas. Here's more bubble ones. Or it's just a snow wand. Snow. It's snow, not bubbles. What's this one? Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Oh, baby stuff. Baby Minnie. Baby Mickey. And Funky. You can make a baby really cute. No. And the things that are too expensive for me to get, but I still want them. Minnie Mouse wreath for $45. And this one for $45. I want them, but I can't afford them. More towels. Ooh, this one's good. Oh, it's an apron? It's an apron? Delicious. I don't cook enough for an apron. $30 apron. Okay. Pajamas, sneakers, dog stuff. Dogs are too chunky for those. I'm not kidding, they're actually chunky. Little dress, shirts. I have a Minnie Mouse one from Walmart. It was actually like $10. Okay, my gosh. And if you want Crocs, oh, there's slipper Crocs. Oh my gosh. They're more comfy. Oh, that's cool. There. $54.99. Break your bank. More scoops. I mean, just normal magic bands. Those ain't special. Like, how much is this necklace? $40. Gotta break your bank. These are so cute though. Oh my gosh. This is season 2, probably. And more stuff. There's also white Christmas stuff. The store is literally closing in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna show you guys these really quick. I love a spirit earthy. Flowers. Wait, are those ain't flowers? It's light. Those are snowflakes, not flowers. That one's pretty. Oh, what the heck? Wow. Nutcrackers. Another nutcracker. This one's cool. It's huge. But these ones, they actually dance and move. Oh man, light up figures. This one is adorable. Same there. Stockings. Another tree skirt. Ornaments. You can find more ornaments in the Days of Christmas store.